When somebody comes to your door, okay, you immediately get up and go and open the door. How do you come to know? Again, what? How do you come to know? Through the doorbell? Yes, through the doorbell. What comes out again? What comes out? What comes out? Again, what comes out? Sound. That's how you come to know. Now, when somebody comes near to you, you hear what? Again, you hear the footsteps and you understand that somebody is coming nearer to you or near to you. So again, what do you hear? You hear sound. You hear sound of somebody's footsteps. So, very, very important. This is our topic of today. Today we will study what? We will study sound. So, chapter 13, I believe. Chapter 13 we are starting. Chapter 13. Sound. Now, children, as you have seen four examples of sound. So you must have made count that sound is very important. Yes, right now my sound is very important for you. Why? Because you can hear. Yes. So sound is very, very important for communication also. Yes. Now in your surroundings, you may hear today lot of sounds, yes, of lot of things, like for example, bird chirping, yes, then just now one bike went from here, okay, bike or any automobile passing, you can hear the banging, they stopped. Any other sound can you hear? You must be hearing in your locality, yes. Today you will go out and you will hear the sound. Okay, what different types of sound is there near your locality. So this shows all these examples which you have seen just now, and you may go through when you stand. Today you stand in your balcony or go to your terrace and check what all you can hear. So that with those examples, they show that sound is very, very important in our daily life. Now, how is this sound produced? How is sound produced? How is the sound produced? Tell me. How is sound produced? Here. You heard the sound? Yes? You can hear, no? So how is it producing? A sound is produced when things vibrate. Okay? Sound produces when things vibrate, not banging. Okay? Always not banging. Now I am not banging here, but sound is coming out, no? So sound is produced when things vibrate. Got it? Sound is produced when things vibrate. Vibrate means vibration of your phone. Yes, check today. Vibration of your phone. Okay. That is known as vibration. Means when an item moves to and fro or back and forth. Okay. That motion is known as vibration. Okay. Now, let us do an activity. Okay. Of vibration. Like this. You can see. This is a pan, this is a spoon. Now when I am going to bang, okay, this is due to vibration. This sound is producing due to vibration. You also bring a pan. Pause the video, bring a pan, bring a spoon and try. What happens? The sound is producing because the pan is vibrating. If you bang is you need to take a box. Take a box and take the longer side of the box. Now I don't have a box. Actually, I have a box, but I don't have a rubber band, very big rubber band. So I tried like this. Fix the rubber band on the longer side. Then fix two pencils in two corners, something like this. Something like this. Okay. And then you stretch the rubber band. Okay. Can you hear? Now this is not hollow. When you will use a box now, what will happen? It is hollow, so more sound will come. See, you can hear. This rubber band is vibrating. Okay, since the rubber band is vibrating, sound is producing. Clear? So, we studied sound. We studied how sound is produced. Sound is produced due to vibration of a body. And we did two activities and we came to know a new term, that is vibrate. That is vibration. Okay, and I told you what is vibration. Now something like this. You can vibrate your hand. Yes, it is more faster. This is when a body moves to and fro or back and forth, then vibrations are produced. Okay, then vibrations are produced, and that motion is known as vibration. Clear? So there is one more activity, but I need some time for that. Give me 1 minute. Here you can see this is a metal dish, I will say, which has water. Here it has water. I don't know whether you can see or not. If I'll keep it, here you can see there is water. There is water. Now if I bang it, I am already touching it. Okay, sound is producing and waves are producing in the water. Okay, waves are producing. Here, waves produce and I can feel the vibration. Now if you keep it on a table and do it, okay, and when you bang and you touch, you will also feel the vibration. Like for example, we were doing it here with this banging. If you touch, right now that I am holding, you hang it somewhere. Okay, means you tie and hang. And after the banging, when you touch, you can feel the vibration. The best example is your mobile phone, children. Okay, your mobile phone. When the phone rings, what happens? It starts vibrating also. So you can touch and you can feel the vibration. Means whether it is not to and fro or back and forth. Okay, what happens? The phone starts vibrating. It is something like this. Yes? Okay. So today we did three activities. Three activities. One was rubber bands, one was pan, and the other was the metal dish. And we studied sound, how it is produced, and what is a vibration. Clear? Now, two important things I would like to tell you. The first thing is about your activity, that is your assignment. You must be worried, very much worried, why we are not having maths and science, maths and physics assignment. You know, because I got 2-3 messages asking, ma'am, we won't have the assignments. Obviously, you'll have the assignments, but when we finish the portion. Okay, physics we have finished. question, but assignment I will give you next week. I want to give you with maths only. That is why. Okay. And secondly, question and answers. This time we will not write notes. That means I will not provide you notes in Google Classroom. Instead, we are going to discuss the answers and we are going to mark the answers in the book. Okay. And this time we will not do anything extra. Suppose if anything extra is needed, okay, like any extra or important questions are needed, then I'll let you know. Okay, let me discuss with other subject teachers also. I will let you know. So for today, this much is more than enough. Today you will go out and you are going to hear the sound and you are going to you are going to note down those examples. Okay, note down those examples means you don't have to sit and write. You can note here also. This is your better version of your Google. I'm telling you, this can work better than what Google works in the mobile. Clear? So